TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman sitting for Tommy O'Brien. I usually host the Tiger Technicians Hour that comes right after this news report at noon. So let's go. The Dow's up 172 at 25,172. This past January, the close on the monthly chart was one of the best Januaries since 1987. This is really very important, the fact that it keeps moving higher. It's breaking through some key resistances. It's well above the 200-period exponential moving averages. This is really good, and we'll see, because now the support has been raised on the shorter term at 25,167. We've got 25,700, 24,500 is really good support. The S&P at this particular point is also up, not quite as much as the Dow. The S&P is up 9.93 at 2714. It too has just made a new recovery high and is above the 200-period moving average. It was bumping up against that, struggling earlier this morning. Now it's up nicely. The technicals are good. And at 2714, it makes the 2683 to 2672-ish area. Very good support if there's any pullback next week. Both charts are really good in the weekly. These are big improvements in their weekly charts. QQQ NDX 100. NDX 100, despite Amazon being down very sharply, is at 168.31. It's struggling to go to yesterday's high, but it's still holding very nicely at 168.30, up 14 cents. It has that gap, and it has, I would say the 164s is going to be very important support if there's a pullback next week. Let's just go straight to gold, because gold has been one of the leading sectors, and it had a fabulous move up. It went to a high yesterday in the continuous contract of 13.31, and it's trading now at 13.21. The little doji candle from yesterday, I would not be surprised if it has a bit of a pullback. If you're looking at the dollar has had a huge move up since March of last year, February, March, and going to the 97.71 level. Now it's really consolidating in the 95s. I suspect it could even go down to the 94s. Had 94 support, and I would say 96.50s as resistance. As gold, we'll see if gold starts a bit of a pullback. And crude oil right now, crude oil is it was up strongly over the last couple of days. Again today, it's making a little bit of a short-term top here, but it's acting very well at 54. If it can break above 56, that's going to be very good action. And 52 is going to be very good support next week. Have a great day. Stay tuned for my show, The Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up within another couple of minutes. Have a great weekend.